Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'll be doing my video about my last project, which is video kajian. And yeah, so let's just start. So before we start to the other file, I will tell you guys about the first one, which is the video data. So in here, inside this file, we are making all of the assets and the data that we will use it at the screen, and also the detail video kajian screen. I mean at the video kajian screen and detail video kajian screen. And now let's just go to the meeting. So the first cons is max string videos. And here it was, we are making a class here which is list. So it was list. The first one, the first assets, it was what the name of the asset, it was thumbnail. The name of the data is thumbnail, and this thumbnail have the data. It was assets image thumbnail video kajian 1.jpg, and the account here, the second, it was account. The inside of this data was Khalid Basalam official, and the third, it was Ustad. The inside was Ustad Khalid Basalam. The fourth, it was title. The inside was berbakti pada orang tua, and the URL. The inside it was this, the URL of the YouTube video, and the description, where we are giving the description of the video kajian later. And in here, you guys can make it some more data or more assets, more types. For example, in here we are making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In here we are making 5, and all of that assets, all of that data was different. For example, this, the second, the thumbnail was video kajian 2, the account was Firanda Andirja, and the Ustaz was Ustaz Dr. Firanda Andirja, MA. The title was Bentuk Syukur. The URL also different. The description also different. So yeah, the main point in here, we are making all of the data, all of the assets here. And next we are going to video kajian screen. Here, go to the first. Here we are importing the important things like the video data, beta code data, video data for taking the assets before, and the detail video kajian screen. So that one can go to this screen later. Color constant and the material. So here the class video kajian extend stateless widget. So in here they are not using the stateless, so it was just like that. The widget class video kajian screen. Here the widget build, it was just the inside the screen, I mean retro scaffold, so we can scroll. App bar, here app bar, so it was if it's from me, it's like header or something like that. The bar at top. Background color constant, color primary. The title, it was video kajian. The style, it was the style, text style. The color constant, color white, and the font family was Poppins medium. Here leading icon button, so here we are at some icon button. On press, navigator pop context, so we are going to the context or go to the previous page. Icon, the icon in here was icons, arrow back, iOS new outline. Here the icon, and the color was color constant, color white. Here the body, this view builder, so in here it was a list, so go to the go to down, then navigator pop context, material page root, builder context. So here navigator pop context, the context was material page root, and here we are routing to the context. Here it was the detail video kajian screen, so we are go to the detail video kajian screen later. Here we are put the inside, so it was URL, videos index URL, taking the from video data. Here account, video index account, so the but the type it was index, yeah, like that, something like that. The Ustaz also, but I mean this is the what, it was like the title like that, and the inside it was URL from the video data, account from video data, Ustaz from video data, title from video data, and also the description from video data. And here the child, well, my child in here card. So here the card, so I mean like some what directly, what we say, and there is the insert later margin cons edge insert all. So all of the ages was 8. Child column, here we are making the column cross axis alignment start. So here we are making the cross axis alignment. Children, for putting the new child more stack, so this stack was for putting another child, another child, another child, and another child. Here children aspect ratio, the ratio was 16 divide 9. The child image assets, so the image assets before videos index thumbnail, here it was from here thumbnail, where is it? Oh no, I mean this, the new one. Okay, feed box with cover, so it was for the what, the top of the card, like that. Image asset, position child icon, so in here we are, what, it's like still inside this children, I mean child icons place circle outline, so there's like this icon later. The color was color constant, color primary, and the size was 60. And after all of that stack, you are now making the padding, or like the what, if it is in the coder it was already become the asset, but in here we are making one by one. Padding cons edge inserts, so the edges was 8, all of the what, yeah, all of the age. Child text, here videos index account, so in here we are adding a text, but the text was videos index account, so directly go to the this letter. For example, the account was Khalid Basalama, then later on the text was put the Khalid Basalama. The text star was font size 14, the color was color gray, and the font family was Poppins regular. And here the other padding, fonts edge sets symmetric, so it's going symmetric. Horizontal, the horizontal was 8. Child text, here the text we are taking from the Ustaz video data. The text style, font size was 16, the color was color primary, and the font family was Poppins medium. And here for the last padding, it was for title. Padding cons edge inset symmetric horizontal 8. So here the what, making the insert the edge. Here the chart, the text was taken from the title at the video data. The text style was font size 18, colors black, and font family was Poppins bold. If you guys know, here for this all of this padding, the text videos index title, it was text because the data it was text, but different from thumbnail, it was image asset because thumbnail data it was an image. Oh, next go to the detail video kajian screen. Okay, so import package beta gua this is taking the package constant material and also the YouTube player, for later on we can operate the YouTube player later. Plus the video kajian screen extract stateful widget, and here we are using the stateful widget because the state was dynamic, so it was running some many things, so it was stateful widget. We are using the state final string, here the type was final, so we are directly run this thing. URL account, the title and description. Consider video kajian screen seperti this is the same. It was for run the first thing. override state detail video guidance screen, create state detail video guidance screen. So in here we are making the new state, which is it was what the type still the same as before. It was stateful widget, and the object was detail video guidance screen state. It was state because before it was stateful. Plus detail video guidance screen state extend state detail video guidance screen. So here the file late YouTube player controller, YouTube player controller. So in here we are making some permission from the detail video guidance screen state. Yeah, don't forget it was state late. So later the YouTube controller will what run the YouTube player controller object or class here, and this is what take the YouTube player controller. Alright, here it was the init state. Later on it was run when init state in here. Instead YouTube player controller this one, and here initial video ID YouTube player convert URL dot. So in here we are what here's the YouTube player controller, and here for taking the ID, the URL, and here for the things that we are want to set. For this one, the first it was for taking the URL, text information, and yeah, the ID. Flex cons YouTube player flex. Here the autoplay was true. So later on when we are go to this page, the video will directly play, and the mute was false. So still there is the voice. Here this pause, YouTube player control this pause. It was for what? Not make the our storage or memory not over. And here the build context or the inside later scaffold the same as before. Bar background color color primary it was the same as before. Here text widget title. So here the widget title before it was what the name from the video data. For example, the title was about berbakti kepada orang tua. So later on the app bar title was berbakti kepada orang tua. Style text style here all content color white, and font family was open medium. And here the leading icon button this was before the letter pop context. There's no, so directly go to the reviews page, and the icon that we use it was arrow back iOS new outline, and the color was all white. Here the body single child scroll view, so it's single, so not view, I mean scroll. Child column here this alignment the same as before, so there is stop. Children YouTube player controller YouTube player controller. So in here we are starting to run the YouTube player controller. Here we are call the class show video progress indicator true. So we are showing the video progress like loading and the other progress indicator, the progress indicator. Here for the color it was color amber. Already YouTube controller. So the main point all of this code it was running the YouTube controller before because it was late before. So waiting for the waiting for the like telling this unit to run. Okay, heading here that is at all. Child text view here the text account. So for example if the account was Walid Basalamah, it was Walid Basalamah. The style, the text style, yeah, font size was 24, colors gray, font family was open regular. And here the padding it was for the other side, the edge insets symmetric horizontal 8. Here the text was the ustads. For example, Dr. Firanda Dirja. Later on will show like that. The text style, font size 16, and colors black, and also the potence medium. Here the padding, the another padding, child text. The text was title, and the cons text style. It was here. The size was 18, colors black, and open medium. And lastly, it was for the description. Here padding 18 set, symmetrical data 8, still the same as before because we are only putting the data. text description, text description, text style here, the text style 16 color flag, and the font color opens regular. And lastly here, the main dart here already put the new one here, video kajian context cons video kajian screen. So later in the dashboard there is the video kajian option, and if we click the video kajian, it will run or it will go to the video kajian screen. And now let's just see the result here. Okay, the video kajian before. We will click, we'll go to the video kajian screen. This is the video kajian screen. Okay, you can scroll in here. Okay, now let's choose one. For example, this one. If we click this letter, we'll go to the detail video kajian screen here. Okay. Nah, and in here, because the YouTube Editor controller before was what run and show the progress indicator here, it was like this. And later, if the video was already what progress, the video was directly play, and also the mute, it was not mute because the mute was false, so there is the sounds. And yeah, maybe that's all from me. Thank you because I watched this video. Sorry if there was a mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.